Hi, this is a quick guide how to install Saleswings for Office 365 manually. First, you can do this in Microsoft Outlook for Mac or Outlook Online. This doesn't really matter. It's going to be synchronized across the entire Office 365 account. Now here I'm in Outlook for Mac. So what you want to do is you want to firstly go to the inbox of your Exchange email account. Keep in mind, this will only work if your email is hosted on an Exchange server, email Exchange server, hosted on Microsoft Exchange. So you want to go here, and then you will see that this store button is showing up right there. If you have Outlook for Windows, we have a universal plugin that works for Outlook Windows, which you can find in a separate guide. And there you can use any email server such as Gmail or else as you want. So you want to click on the Store button here. And as a next step, you can go over here to My Add-ins. Now, since this is a manual installation, you have this button here called Add a Custom Add-in. And you want to click Add from URL. As the next step, you can go to the support guide, and in the support guide, you'll find the URL you'll need to enter. So you can copy the URL simply. You come back here, you enter it, and you click OK. And all the next steps, how to use it, etc., you can find in the next video in the support guide. Now, if you want to install it online, it's quite easy. Simply log into your Outlook Online, and you want to then click here and go to the settings. Just go down, click on the mail settings right there. And if you go over, you want to open the general tab. So it's not directly in the mail, it's in the general tab. And there is a menu point called Manage Add-ins. And here one more time, you have the plus, and there you'll be able to install the plugin from the manual URL. If you have any questions, just contact us at support@saleswingsapp.com. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.